In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a guest name in Booking.com, whether you are preparing for a friend's visit, coordinating a business trip, or managing a last-minute change. Knowing how to edit guest details is a useful skill to manage your bookings effectively and ensure a seamless experience. By the end of this session, you'll gain a clear understanding of the steps needed to successfully add or update a guest's name in your Booking.com account, all within just a few minutes. First, you'll need to open Booking.com and log in to your account. If you're uncertain about your login details, you may want to reset your password ahead of time to avoid any interruptions. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to your main dashboard. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll notice your profile avatar. This serves as a central hub for accessing various account features. Click on your avatar, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the Bookings and Trips option. This will direct you to a detailed list of your current reservations. As you scroll through your bookings, locate the specific reservation that you wish to edit. Perhaps you're adding a colleague's name for a conference trip or simply correcting an earlier entry. This is the key step where you select your target reservation. Once you've identified the correct booking, go ahead and click on it to bring up the reservation details. Within the reservation details, you should see an option labeled Edit Guest Details or Add Guest Name. This is the feature that allows you flexibility and control over the guest information associated with your booking. Click this option and a new field or window will appear where you'll be able to input the desired guest's full name. Enter the guest's name carefully. It's always a good measure to double-check the spelling to prevent any potential issues during check-in or at the booking venue. This step ensures that everything flows smoothly and that the guest's name matches any identification or traveling documents they might be using. When you're satisfied that everything is correct, it's time to navigate to the last crucial step. To conclude, don't forget to save the changes you've made. This final action applies the updates to the reservation, ensuring that your booking reflects the necessary adjustments. Saving helps you avoid potential oversights or errors, providing peace of mind knowing everything is set correctly. And there you have it. Your guest name has now been successfully added or updated on Booking.com. These straightforward steps make managing your reservations a hassle-free task. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher on updating booking details. Happy booking!